So friends, in today's new video, the content we have come with today is how to convert low quality video into high quality. Alright, so in today's video we will use a capture card. Alright, let's start the video without any delay. First of all, we are opening our capture card. After doing that, when you go to the new project, select the video you need. We are selecting a video from here. I have set it aside for my needs. You select a video as per your preference. Once done, edit the video as you like. Today, when you reach that stage, edit the video with filters as you prefer. Okay, after you've done trading, what will you do to make it high quality? So how will we make it high quality? So you'll see right next to 7 to 20 you can choose 480. Next to 720 you'll see an option that says 1200. Beside that you'll find 2K or 4K available here. Then we will be able to download the video in 2K or 4K from here. And here below you will be able to see the frame rate. So you can increase the frame rate if you want. Alright, then here you can increase the code rate megabits per second as you like. You can take the frame rate outside to 60 code, whichever you like less, you keep it that way. And by selecting the video quality as high quality as you want, like 2K or 4K or 180 pixel, I will export the video here in 2K or 4K. Alright, okay, so our video will be downloaded this way. So friends, if you liked our video, do give a like, subscribe and share the channel. For now I am leaving. See you in the next video.